two Samsung Galaxy S9s. So both of them need new batteries, and to do that we have to remove the backs. But this one's cracked, so we might make it even worse. Let's put them on our heat pad. We're going to begin to pry off the back glass. We're going to take our iFixit tool and create a bit of a wedge between the glass and the frame. I'm going to get a guitar pick tool in. Once our guitar pick is in, we could just slide it around the glass. We have to keep applying heat as we go. This glass is extremely stubborn and is glued really well. You have to be pretty patient. So our back glass is off, but we can't be quick to remove it because there's a cable inside. Once we unclip our cable, we can take it off. Now we have to remove all these Phillips screws. Unscrew. We can just pop these off like that. So this is our target, the battery. Disconnect it. Now we have to heat it up some more and then pry it off. Now we can take our new battery and install it. It comes with adhesive already there, which makes my life a lot easier. All I do is place it and we're good. Now we have to put everything back together. Take these and click them in. Now we're going to test out our phone. Everything looks good. Let's re-screw all our screws and close it up. We got everything connected. We're going to put on some clamps just to make sure that everything sits nice. And we're all done. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be making a short video on this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.